Hidone Premium Dentures are being promoted as a cheap, at-home solution that can give you a perfect, natural smile without visiting a dentist. But the real question is whether they actually function like real dentures or just sound convincing online. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. They're temporary or moldable denture-like products that you can shape at home. However, here's the key point. Proper dentures normally require professional fitting, impressions, and adjustments by a dentist, not a one-size-fits-all kit. There are some surface-level positives. Very cheap compared to real dentures, often under $60, marketed as custom fit using hot water molding. Claims of natural look and improved confidence from brand testimonials. But this is where things start to fall apart. The biggest issue is credibility of the claims. All positive reviews are hosted on the brand's own site, which are not independently verified. The product is marketed as a full denture replacement despite being extremely low cost. This is a major red flag. Another major concern is real-world user feedback from community discussions. All I got sent was 2 plastic strips. They are not dentures, just plastic teeth. Major scam, total rubbish. Short answer, very unlikely. They may function as a temporary cosmetic cover at best, but they do not perform like real dentures for eating, speaking, or long-term use. Bottom line, Hidone Premium Dentures appear to be a low-cost, high-risk product with strong marketing and weak real-world results. The claims are exaggerated, and user feedback raises serious concerns about quality and authenticity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.